Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know that drones are now more advanced than ever, offering incredible features for every type of flyer? Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a professional photographer, there's a drone out there to match your needs. But with so many options flooding the market in 2025, how do you choose the best one? Well, stick around as we compare the top drones so you can make an informed choice this year. Let's dive right in. On number 6, DJI Mini4 Pro. DJI Mini4 Pro is a game changer for those looking for a lightweight portable drone. Like on number 6 is the DJI Mini4 Pro, which weighs just 249 grams, making it perfect for beginners and casual flyers who want to avoid FAA registration. The 4K 60 video quality and a versatile camera that switches between widescreen and vertical formats are a dream for content creators. The standout feature? Its 360-degree obstacle avoidance and upgraded active track mode, allowing you to fly confidently even in tight spaces. However, it lacks an AirSense transponder to warn you about nearby aircraft, and its extended battery option may push it over the weight limit for FAA registration. Bottom line, a fantastic choice for budget-conscious enthusiasts who need portability without sacrificing camera quality, though it may not be the best for those concerned with FAA regulations. On number 5, DJI Air3 DJI RCN2. For those looking for more power without breaking the bank, the DJI Air3 is a strong contender. Like on number 5 is the DJI Air3, which features dual cameras, wide-angle and telephoto, 48MP video, and an impressive 46-minute battery life. This drone is perfect for creators and adventurers who want high-quality shots from different perspectives. It comes with full 360-degree obstacle sensors and advanced autopilot features like Active Track, ensuring a smooth flying experience. However, it has fixed aperture lenses, limited internal storage, 8GB, and requires FAA registration. Bottom line, a solid pick for enthusiasts seeking advanced features, but it's pricier than the Mini 3 Pro. On number 4, DJI Mavic 3 Pro with DJI RC. The Mavic 3 Pro is designed for serious filmmakers and aerial photographers. Like on number 4 is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which features a triple camera array, including a 20MP Hasselblad sensor and a 48MP telephoto lens. This drone delivers stunning 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, making it perfect for cinematic shots. It also offers a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system and up to 43 minutes of flight time. The Mavic 3 Pro is perfect for professional creators who need versatility and high-quality footage. However, it has limited internal storage, 8GB, and ProRes is only available in the Cine model. Bottom line, a must-have investment for professional creators, but the limited storage and extra cost of ProRes may be deal-breakers for some. On number 3, Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. If you're after a high-quality drone with 6K video recording and a 20MP camera, the Evo Lite Plus is a top choice. Like on number 3 is the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, which boasts a 1-inch camera sensor and a variable aperture for greater control over lighting, making it ideal for both photographers and videographers. It records 6K stabilized video, has long battery life, and offers obstacle detection for safety. However, it has an 8-bit flat video profile, and the lack of autonomous obstacle navigation may be a drawback for some. Bottom line, a great choice for those prioritizing flexibility in photography and video, though its flight experience may not be as polished as some DJI models. On number 2, Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Evo Nano Plus is a lightweight drone perfect for hobbyists. Like on number 2 is the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus, which weighs just 249G, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and features a 4K 30 camera with smooth footage. It also boasts up to 28 minutes of flight time and comes equipped with obstacle detection. However, the video can be over-processed, and the raw photo accuracy is limited. For those on a budget who want a reliable, easy-to-use drone, the Nano Plus is a solid option. Bottom line, a great choice for budget-conscious creators, but if you're seeking more polished video, the DJI Mini 3 Pro might be a better fit. On number 1, DJI Neo Mini drone. Last but not least, the DJI Neo is the ultimate budget-friendly drone. Like on number 1 is the DJI Neo Mini drone, which is priced at just $199. This ultra-portable drone offers smooth 4K stabilized footage and is perfect for casual flyers and social media enthusiasts. The camera provides high-quality images, and it's a breeze to control. While it struggles in windy conditions and has limited range without the optional remote, it's ideal for beginners looking for a fun and easy drone experience. Bottom line, the DJI Neo Mini drone is perfect for beginners and those looking for quick, fun aerial shots at an unbeatable price. So, what do you think? After all this, which one takes the crown? Based on overall features, the DJI Air3 comes out on top, like on number 5 is the DJI Air3, which strikes the perfect balance between price, performance, and features, making it the best choice for creators and adventurers alike. What do you think about these drones? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and to grab your favorite drone. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.